I have soldered all the integrated circuits. I show you them. As you can see, here is the module. This is the microcontroller. This is the brain for the whole headset. This is the EEG module. This is the driver for the electromagnetic coils. This is the driver between the microcontroller and the MP3 player, and here is the driver between the microcontroller and the SD memory card. Today, first I will test them, and then I will continue soldering the sensors around the head. Let's hope that today I can finish the work. Let's start.